Congratulations on purchasing a Nasoni premium under-counter water filter. You have made a great decision to improve the quality of your tap water and the health of you and your family. The Nasoni under-counter water filter fits in the vanity under your bathroom sink and is installed in your cold water supply line. Connect it to your Nasoni fountain faucet. The tools you will need include a screwdriver, adjustable wrench, and bowl. The materials you need include a Nasoni premium under-counter water filter, Teflon tape, and 2 panhead number 10 Phillips head 3/4 inch long screws. Step 1. Shut off the cold water supply and disconnect the line. Turn off the water at the cold water inlet shutoff valve underneath the sink. Position a bowl underneath to catch any residual water, and then disconnect the water line from the shutoff valve by loosening the nut and removing the line from the cold water valve. Step 2. Mark the location. Next, position your filter unit on the cabinet wall closest to the cold water line. Mark your location through the slotted holes in the mounting bracket. At the marks, drive a couple of screws about halfway. The screws will be tightened completely after the filter is hung in place. It's important to leave enough clearance below the filter so you'll be able to remove the canister and change the cartridges easily. Step 3. Make the plumbing connections. With the location marked, you're ready to make the plumbing connections. Connect the line from the inside of the filter. The end is on the left when facing the front of the filter to the cold water supply valve, and the side marked out to your fountain faucet. For a more reliable seal, use Teflon tape. Tighten the fittings with an adjustable wrench, but don't over-tighten. Step 4. Hang the filter. Hang the assembled filter unit on the wall and tighten the mounting screws until the unit is secure. Step 5. Snug the connections and check for leaks. Double check that the flex line that leads from the outfitting is connected to the fountain faucet. Then, using an adjustable wrench, snug the plumbing connections. Slowly turn the cold water supply back on. Release any trapped air by turning on the cold water at the faucet and letting it run for 3 to 5 minutes until the water stops gurgling. All that's left to do now is check for leaks. If leaks occur, repeat step 3. At a minimum, replace your cartridge once a year. Your needs may depend upon several factors based on water quality and usage, lesser quality tap water, or depending upon the number of users using it. That could result in the need to change your filter more frequently. To change your filter cartridge, here's what you do. You twist the filter counterclockwise until it stops, then pull the filter down. To reinstall a new filter cartridge, make certain that the single and double notch slots on the side of the filter line up with the single and double notches on the housing. If you haven't done so yet, please register at ñasoni.com to sign up for our Elite VIP filter program to have your filter shipped directly to your home automatically, and never forget to change your filter again. On behalf of the Nasoni team, thank you for your purchase. We hope this video has made your DIY experience a success. Please visit us at ñasoni.com for more tips and tools for your DIY projects. At Nasoni, your experience matters to us, and we are committed to providing you the finest products and best customer experience. If you have any questions or concerns, or you have a great idea to share with us regarding Nasoni products, please contact us online or at our toll-free number displayed on your screen. Nasoni, the future of faucets is here.